Okay, so we have the label here with the instructions on and the buttons. So now what we need to do is go onto the blocks here, and on the left hand side are a list of all the blocks. We tap on each one to give us a list of all the various options. Okay, so here we have the if, then, and else, and all the main control objects there. Some math in case that we need to for variables, which we'll be doing a bit later on. Variables there to set them up, and at the bottom here we've got ones that we've set up already. So on screen one here, the text label that we've created and the button. Just to focus on the button, we want every time the button gets clicked, we want the audio to sound. So when this is clicked, and as you can see in the middle, we have the name of the component that we assigned it earlier. So let's go back to the design section, and there it is, Kitty. Okay, so back onto blocks. When Kitty click, do. So we want to add some sound. Now at the bottom here, on the screen one, there isn't any sound there, and if we go back into the design section, we haven't actually assigned any sound to the app at all yet. So going back onto the designer section, we need to click on the media tab, which is just at the bottom, and we can find sound here. Just drag that anywhere into the middle, and here you have some non-visible components and sound one. So ordinarily, if you had more than one sound, you would rename this and name it what you want. However, because I'm only using one sound, that's going to leave it that way. So add onto the source, and much like we did with the image, you can upload new files, but I've got one already assigned there. So click OK, and that's a sound assigned to the app. So now we need to go back onto the blocks and have a look, and there is sound one. So click onto that. Now, when the button is clicked, we want it to play. So we want to call on the sound and play it. And there we go. That's it done. So looking at the app, if I click on to the kitty, it should make a sound. Okay, and that's it sorted.